General journal muna tayo so that mas ma-picture out nyo kung ano yung ide-debit, ano yung mga account titles na ide-debit natin and i-credit. So, ito yung general journal. Again, debit and credit lang yan. Walang negative symbol, walang negative sign. So, yung date natin is, ito, July 3, 2025. So, at the time na nag-collect kayo or nag-issue ng invoice, yan yung ilalagay nyo dyan. So, yung debit natin, the cash, again, this is the net amount na. So, net commission yung ilalagay nyo dyan. Because ito lang yung cash na natanggap nyo, yung cheque na in-issue sa inyo is 69,308.66. And the creditable withholding tax, again, yung 2307, i-check ninyo. For the amount, yung amount nun is 7,700.96. And of course, yung credit natin is same lang to. Actually, if pansin nyo, same lang yung mga entries talaga. Yung some account titles lang is medyo different siya. Like in this case, instead of sales yung ilagay nyo, you can put it there, brokers, fees, and commissions. So that mas specific siya sa mga books ng isang real estate broker or ng mga agents. So again, yung credit natin is the brokers, fees, and commissions. Again, this is the gross amount. Wala pang bawas yung withholding tax. So yung gross ninyo na fees and commissions is 77,009 and 62 centavos. Ayan.